A very good morning, viewers. You're watching Republic TV. This is Live This Morning. I'm Deepak Suresh Kumar. First up, Hindu organizations have called for a statewide protest in Maharashtra demanding the removal of the tomb in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Meanwhile, Eknath Shinde has come in support of the move. Take a look at this report.
The controversy over Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb's tomb has intensified, with Hindu organizations calling for a statewide protest in Maharashtra, demanding its removal from Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. The issue escalated after Maharashtra's Samajwadi Party chief and MLA Abu Azmi sparked outrage by praising Aurangzeb by calling him, quote, a good administrator.
औरंगजेब रहमतुल्लाह अलैह ने बहुत सारी मंदिरें बनवाई हैं और आप बनारस में जाकर देखेंगे एक बच्ची पंडित की बच्ची को जब उनका ही एक सिपाही सालार उसके साथ शादी करना चाहता था, उन्होंने उस सिपाही सालार को 2 हाथियों के बीच पैर बांध करके मार दिया और उन पंडितों ने उनके लिए एक मस्जिद बना के दिया वहाँ पर। क्या बात करते हैं, ये गलत हिस्ट्री। तो आप औरंगजेब के ज़माने में भारतवर्ष जो है सोने की चिड़िया था। हमारी सरहद जो है अफगानिस्तान बर्मा तक बढ़ी हुई थी।
Reacting to the remark, Maharashtra's Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis had warned of legal action against Azmi. Azmi's statement has triggered a political storm, with BJP leaders and Vishwa Hindu Parishad renewing the demands for the demolition of Aurangzeb's tomb. The Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal have announced a statewide agitation, insisting on the removal of Aurangzeb's tomb. Leaders of both organizations stated that they will submit a memorandum to the state government urging immediate action. They argue that the tomb symbolizes the oppression and atrocities committed against Hindus during Aurangzeb's rule and should be demolished. Supporting the move, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde said, and I quote, Aurangzeb demolished many temples and I understand the sentiments of Hindus. Meanwhile, Union Minister Ramdas Athawale has opposed the demand, stating that the issue should not be politicized.
तो इसलिए लोगों में अभी मांग हो रही है। अभी इतने सालों की मांग तो नहीं हुई थी, तो मुझे लगता है कि अभी क्या करना है। माननीय देवेंद्र फडणवीस, एकनाथ शिंदे जी, अजीत दादा पवार है, इन लोगों ने लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की स्थिति निर्माण ना हो, किसी की भावना को ठेस ना पहुंचे, ऐसा निर्णय लेना चाहिए, ऐसा मुझे लगता है।
Congress leader Harshvardhan Sabkal, in a sharp attack on the BJP government, compared Devendra Fadnavis' tenure to that of Aurangzeb, calling both cruel.
आणि सदाकदा धर्माचा आधार हा औरंगजेब घ्यायचा। औरंगजेब कधी हजला पण गेला नाही आणि हा क्रूर शासक होता। आज देवेंद्र फडणवीसही तेवढेच क्रूर आहेत। सदाकदा धर्माचा आधार घेतात आहे, मात्र संतोष देशमुख सारख्या हत्या ज्या होतात आहे, जिथे खासदारांच्या लेकीबाळी सुरक्षित नाही, हा प्रकार आज दुर्दैवानं आज महाराष्ट्रात हा देवेंद्र फडणवीस सारखाच आहे। त्यामुळे औरंगजेब आणि देवेंद्र फडणवीस यांचा कारभार एकसारखा आहे।
In light of the growing tensions, authorities have tightened security at Aurangzeb's tomb in Aurangabad and restricted entry into the district until April 5th.
Well, Sandeep is joining me live this morning. Sandeep, VHP Bajrang Dal have planned to stage a protest across Maharashtra. Take us through the deployment as far as the security is concerned around the tomb and also across the state in view of these protests.
Deepak, yes, a protest has been in fact called by VHP, Vishwa Hindu Parishad at Bajrang Dal across the state. In fact, these protests will be held at the collector office of each and every district. This protest is going to happen statewide. In fact, in Mumbai also, a massive protest is organized at Mumbai's Azad Maidan. But in rest of the districts, the VHP and Bajrang Dal leaders have warned Babri-like demolition if Aurangzeb grave is not being demolished. And for the same reason, they are coming on the streets today. And in fact, they will be protesting out against the removal of, in fact, they are demanding the removal of Aurangzeb grave.
Right, Sandeep, thank you for joining us with those details. The protest will be held across the state outside the district collector's office. We'll get you all the details. And the security has also been heightened.